Imagine yourself stepping into your favorite cafe, the one you visit every morning. The aroma of freshly roasted beans fills the air, mingling with the scent of pastries and the hum of conversation. You order a cappuccino and it sets you back a cool $4. A small price for a moment of joy, right? But have you ever stopped to wonder where that money goes? What journey does it embark on once it leaves your hand? It's a journey, a complex network of transactions, starting from a humble coffee bean on a distant farm and ending in your cup. Each step is a story in itself. This is the story of the coffee value chain, a tale of transformation and value addition. We often take for granted the intricate web that brings food and products to our fingertips, unaware of the many hands that contribute to the final product. The coffee value chain, like many others, involves numerous players, each adding value at different stages. From the farmer to the exporter, the roaster to the barista. Understanding this chain can be enlightening, revealing the often hidden dynamics of supply and demand that dictate prices and profits. It's a dance of economics and effort. Let's follow the journey of a single coffee bean from its origin to your cup. From the farmer who nurtures the crop with care and dedication to the barista who crafts your beverage with skill and precision, each participant plays a crucial role, ensuring that the coffee you enjoy is of the highest quality. And at each step, the forces of supply and demand exert their influence, shaping the final price you pay. It's a delicate balance of market forces. So the next time you find yourself indulging in that £4 cappuccino, take a moment to ponder the journey it took. Reflect on the global effort behind that simple pleasure. It's a tale of global trade, intricate processes, and the delicate balance of supply and demand. A story of connection and commerce that spans continents. Our journey begins with the farmer, often in a developing country like Brazil or Colombia. These dedicated individuals work tirelessly, often from dawn till dusk, to cultivate the coffee plants that will eventually become our morning brew. Toiling under the sun, they cultivate, harvest, and process the coffee beans. Each bean is carefully picked by hand, ensuring only the ripest cherries are selected, a process that requires both skill and patience. This initial stage, though labor-intensive, often yields the smallest slice of the profit pie. Despite their hard work, farmers frequently receive minimal earnings, highlighting the economic challenges they face. The beans then move on to processors who clean, dry, and prepare them for export. These processes are crucial in maintaining the quality of the beans, ensuring they meet international standards. These middlemen play a vital role in ensuring quality and consistency, but also take their share of the profits. Their expertise in quality control is essential for the beans to be accepted in the global market. Next, exporters step in. Navigating the complex world of international trade, they handle the logistics of shipping the beans across continents, a task that requires meticulous planning and coordination. They connect farmers and processors with roasters worldwide, facilitating the global flow of coffee beans. Their role is pivotal in bridging the gap between the origin and the destination of the beans. Roasting is where the magic happens, transforming raw beans into the aromatic delights we crave. This stage involves precise control of temperature and timing to bring out the best flavors. Roasters carefully roast, blend, and package the beans, adding significant value and commanding a larger portion of the final price. Their craftsmanship turns the beans into the coffee we know and love. Finally, retailers, from high-end cafes to supermarkets, bring the coffee to us, the consumers. They create the environments where we enjoy our coffee, whether it's a cozy cafe or a convenient supermarket aisle. They provide convenience, ambience, and often a hefty markup, reflecting the cost of prime real estate, labor, and marketing. This final stage completes the journey, bringing the coffee full circle from farm to cup. At every stage of this journey, the invisible hand of supply and demand is at work, influencing prices and availability. When coffee beans are plentiful, perhaps due to a bumper crop, the price farmers receive may plummet, making it difficult for them to cover their costs. Conversely, a shortage caused by factors like drought or disease can drive prices skyward, benefiting farmers but straining consumers. This delicate balance extends throughout the chain, from the farm to the processing plant and even to your local cafe. A surge in demand for specialty coffee, for instance, empowers roasters to charge premium prices, reflecting the higher quality and unique flavors. Conversely, increased competition among cafes in a bustling city center can lead to price wars, squeezing profit margins and forcing businesses to innovate. External factors also come into play, adding another layer of complexity to the coffee market. Fluctuations in currency exchange rates can affect the cost of importing and exporting coffee. Political instability in coffee-producing regions can disrupt supply chains, or even a viral social media trend promoting a particular coffee drink can all send ripples through the value chain, impacting prices at every level and influencing consumer preferences. Understanding these dynamics is crucial for all players in the coffee value chain, from farmers to baristas. By closely monitoring supply and demand trends, they can make informed decisions about pricing, production and sourcing, striving to maximize their share of the profits while ensuring sustainability. While the exact percentages vary depending on factors like coffee quality, origin, and business models, a rough breakdown of the $4 cappuccino reveals a stark reality. The farmer who produced the beans might receive a paltry 5% or a mere 20 pence. Processors and exporters, crucial intermediaries, may pocket another 10 to 15%. Roasters, who add significant value through their craft, often command a larger share, perhaps 25 to 35%. Retailers, with their prime locations, marketing costs and labor expenses, typically take the lion's share, often exceeding 50%. This breakdown highlights the often disheartening reality of many value chains. Those at the beginning, often toiling in challenging conditions, receive a disproportionately small slice of the pie. Meanwhile, those further down the chain, particularly retailers, benefit from higher margins, reflecting the value they add through branding, convenience, and customer experience.